You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Greek mythology in particular and from Greek, make sure to stay tuned. So this is a name of a goddess, a personification of moral blindness and error. The Greek pronunciation is Ati. Ati. That's how the Greek pronounce it. Therefore, in English, it's generally pronounced as Ati, or the Americans say it as Adi, not 8. Ati. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.